Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ankr daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box and in the comment section. You can either join Patreon/MindYourCrypto, BillMindYourCrypto.com or BuyMeACoffee/MindYourCrypto. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates to know exactly where we are, live trading, and trading scalping strategy. You will get many more benefits. Check them out. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now quickly into the video. So, if you know technical analysis and price analysis, it is like, the difference between gambling, okay? So it is like when you know astrology and astronomy, okay? The first one is pseudoscience and the second one is the real thing. When people say that when you play crypto, you are gambling, it is not true. If you know technical analysis and price analysis, you are having the upper hand. However, there are some things that you cannot predict correctly, and this is part of the life as well. So let's see right now Ankr, where we are, why have we stopped at the price line that we have stopped, and what is the future right now. So we are going to be very detailed. For Ankr, we have the 0.08 as a major resistance level. Why did this happen? First of all, we are going to talk about the commodity channel index. We had a crazy overbought situation sitting at around 424. When you see these numbers, we usually going to correct. Okay, this is a risk metric that tells us if the purple line actually, it is above this gray zone, we have an overbought situation. That means too many buyers have stepped in and sellers will soon step in as well. Is it over though for Ankr? Are we going to go further down? We are going to see about that, do not worry, just in a moment. So right here, what we have is we stopped at the 0.08. You can see why though it is a very strong resistance level. Back then it was a support level. Back then again, here resistance level on 26 September 2021. Support level back on 20 September and resistance level back on July, more and more lines. You can see in the history, we had this line as a major support and resistance level. And now this is why it is difficult to find out. Also, if you draw your Fibonacci from this top right here back on 3rd January down to this bottom, you will identify on 24th January actually, you will identify that it is the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, the 0.08 cents. So right now, what can we do? Can we potentially go even higher? Because right now we have an overbought with the commodity channel index, but with the relative strength index, which is not so sensitive to the price action, it is more stable, we do not hold any overbought at all. Let's see how Ankr performs against Bitcoin. This is the chart that you want always to have with your technical analysis. Ankr against Bitcoin chart or any other altcoin against Bitcoin. So what we have right now is a higher high to the price. You can see that. And we have a lower high in the RSI. It is very possible that we are forming a bearish RSI divergence. What that means is that probably the price is going to push soon downwards. Okay, so we are going for the next few hours to the next few days, we are going to see a little bit of a correction for Ankr against Bitcoin chart. What does this mean for Ankr against USDT? It means that it won't probably go upwards. However, if Bitcoin goes up, then Ankr against USDT might go higher despite the fact that Ankr against Bitcoin will correct. This chart shows the strength that the altcoin has over Bitcoin, not if the altcoin will go higher in terms of USDT valuation. Okay, so this is what we are seeing right now. And also the next target in case we form a triple bearish RSI divergence, okay, is this one right here, the minus 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, 0.50222. Around this area we have a strong resistance level in which we might be finding some resistance level. But first, we have to close above this target right here. And this target is the 0.50209. If we manage to close above, then yes, we can go towards the next target, which is this one right there. And this will help Ankr against USDT to break the 0.08. Let's go right now to the next targets for Ankr against USDT. Right now, what we have is that if we can manage to break the 0.08, we will be going further upwards onto the next price targets, which will be the 0.088, stopping a little bit below at the 0.085. This is another strong resistance level. So these two levels are our next price targets for Ankr, especially if Bitcoin goes higher, it will help Ankr to move higher. I believe that the month of February 2022 will be very good for crypto, and I believe that it will drag upwards many altcoins, including Ankr, of course. So that means it is not over for Ankr. Instead, we can go even higher, especially if Bitcoin goes higher as well. You can see why Ankr is going now at plus 2.20, because Ankr against Bitcoin chart is moving upwards. Okay, this is why Ankr is moving higher than Bitcoin in these few hours. Right now we have those two targets as the next targets for Ankr, but what if we correct? What is a support level that we have to look for? I think that if we are going to correct, we will go towards the 0.073 cents, this line right here. You can see that it is a very strong support line because it was previously a resistance level, and also the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA is approaching this level right here. So in case we correct, we are going to go there, and if we hold this line, then we are going back up towards the 0.085. If we do not, then we are going further down into the 0.07. We have to see on the daily frame how the price will correspond with the overbought situation that we have with the stochastic RSI. Another indicator that it is very useful on impulsive waves, it is not so useful in a normal market. However, if we have the stochastic RSI in an overbought and the altcoin will correct, then this means that the altcoin shows weakness, and therefore we are probably to go even lower. So you can see that right now we have the overbought situation for the stochastic RSI, we have the 20-day EMA being our resistance level, and we want to see how the price will react towards this overbought situation right here. Because as you can see, we do not have any overbought with the RSI, any overbought with the commodity channel index. So therefore, we have to see how the price will correspond to the stochastic RSI. If we can manage to go even higher despite the fact that we have an overbought with the stochastic RSI, then we will be approaching these two numbers. Okay, so these are the next resistance levels for the very short term. As for the very long term, you can ask me in the details in the comment section actually if you want another update, and of course do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box and in the comment section. You get easy profits, you learn trading, and you learn technical analysis, the most important things. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are, see you soon with many more videos. Bye!